The Amazon FireStick is a powerful streaming device, but sometimes it doesn't support all file formats. That's where MX Player comes in handy. MX Player is a versatile media player known for its wide range of codec support and excellent performance. Whether you want to play local files or enhance streaming apps, MX Player is an essential tool. Unfortunately, MX Player is not directly available on the Amazon App Store. However, you can still download and install it using a method called sideloading. Follow this simple step-by-step guide to install MX Player on your FireStick. Step 1. Before downloading MX Player, you need to enable sideloading. Turn on your FireStick and go to the home screen. Navigate to Settings, gear icon, in the top menu. Select My Fire TV greater than developer options. Toggle on apps from unknown sources. If this option is unavailable, proceed with the next step as newer FireSticks manage this automatically. Optionally, turn on ADB debugging for better sideloading support. Step 2. To download MX Player, you need an app called Downloader. From the FireStick home screen, select the search icon, magnifying glass. Type Downloader into the search bar and choose the app from the results. Click Download or get to install it on your FireStick. Step 3. Once the Downloader app is installed, open the Downloader app. Allow any required permissions and dismiss the welcome messages. In the URL field, enter the link to the MX Player APK file. A reliable source is https://www.mxplayer.in/download or a trusted APK repository. Click Go to start downloading the APK. Step 4. After the APK file is downloaded, the installation prompt will appear automatically. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installed, choose Open to launch MX Player or Done to exit and return to the Downloader app. Step 6. Finally, to use MX Player, go to your apps and channels on the FireStick home screen. Scroll to the bottom of the list, find MX Player, and launch it. Follow any on-screen setup prompts. With MX Player installed, your FireStick is now ready to handle all your media needs. Whether it's high-definition movies, uncommon file formats, or streaming from third-party apps, MX Player delivers smooth and reliable playback. Enjoy the ultimate streaming experience.